So Chemistry TUTE is back again, friends. And finally, our wait is over. The council has broken the surprise package and the tentative, or you can say the final. You never know. But for now, though, it is a final date sheet which has been declared by the boards, and Chemistry TUTE would like to share it so that our students start the preparation accordingly. So your ISC timetable date sheet, here it goes. You can see on the screen, your exams are starting from 13th of February. I'm just reading out the main subjects. The rest, as per your options, you can always check in the date sheet. 13th February, English paper 1. 14th February, English paper 2. 16th February, Commerce. 20th February, Mathematics. 24th February, Economics. 27th February, Chemistry paper 1. 3rd March, it's Indian languages. That means it covers your Hindi paper. 6th March, Physics paper 1. 13th March, Accounts. 17th March, Biology paper 1. 20th March, Computer Science paper 1. And then they have all their optional subjects which they have given. So technically, if we talk about the main subject, so it's ending on 20th of March, but then you can see the examinations are though ending on 31st March because there are a lot of schools which opt for these optional subjects. So Chemistry TUTE wishes all the best to all the students who are appearing next year in 2023 for class 12 board examinations. We are starting with the fresh online crash course batches. If anyone is interested, kindly message me and you can collect the information further for the classes. With this, thank you and all the best to all my students once again.